Hello everyone, welcome to my Study Tech YouTube channel. Today I am going to demonstrate how to uninstall any application or tool in your Linux system. So here I am going to uninstall one tool like hexchat. So I don't need this application. So to uninstall, first we have to go any directory and open the terminal. So here we have to enter one command to check all the list, sudo dpkg and list. Let's paste it and enter. So it needs the password. Enter. So you can get all the list of application. Just paste down. So I am searching the hexchat. So hexchat, this application have two tools. So one is dependency and one is the main. So we have to uninstall both of them. So for that we can just copy this and I'm going to just paste it here. So first, to remove this app you can use sudo apt-get remove and the package name. So here it just remove that tools. So first remove the hexchat-common. So I am going to making the command sudo apt-get remove hexchat. Let's copy and I'm going to paste here. So Control Z, it will stop showing, and then paste, and I'm going to enter. So it will remove this and capital Y, enter. So it is removing. Let's check it again. Just click the upper arrow and sudo dpkg list, and again check the list. Okay, you can see the application is fully removed. So you can check it here also, and internet, there is no hexchat in your system. Now we want to uninstall one tool which is not visible in our system. So I found one tool which is installed in my system, YouTube-DL. Let's search it. YouTube. So you can see there is no tools which is starting with YouTube. But if you go to the terminal and paste it and enter, you can see there is a tool, YouTube DL. Just check it. Help. Now you can see it is already a application installed in my system. So I want to uninstall this tool. So the same things you can do, just copy and paste it here. It is the total script. Copy it and paste. Let's enter. You need to write the password and enter. Capital Y, and I guess done. Let's see again, is it available? So you can see there is no such file or directory. It indicates the successful uninstallation of the YouTube tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and leave a comment. For more bioinformatics tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.